What's the benefits of using the 303 interior exterior protectant? Well, we'll find out coming up next. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Splash and Wax, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the 303 protectant for your interior and exterior, giving you the ultimate UV protection. It keeps your vinyl, rubber, and plastics looking newer longer. So some of the key benefits to this product that I found, it helps prevent fading or cracking. It's got UV protection built in. It also, this is interesting, it also repels lint and dust. So it's helping keeping your dash, your trim, looking newer longer. It also helps protect against fading. And the best part also is it's a non-greasy formula, meaning that when the sun hits it and it heats up, it doesn't turn greasy, which is awesome on the exterior part of your vehicle, such as running boards, or if you have a step-side truck, or anything like a car or SUV that you can step up in the back of. If you clean that trim part in the rear to make it look nice and new, you don't have to worry about slipping, tripping, and falling. And another great part about these products, that right there, it's made in the US of A. So that is awesome. This product I paid for on Amazon for $9.54 at the time of this video shoot, but the ranges do range from $8.99 that I have found on Google up to $17.29 a bottle. So you're getting 16 fluid ounces in here, so it's not that bad, at all. So I have sprayed some already on a microfiber towel. It's going to rub some on the dash. Let you take a look at the end results of what we have. I noticed that it does not have a heavy smell to it, which is good in some aspects. And those aspects being, if you have, let's say you are a mobile detailer, and you have a client who is hypersensitive to smells, then they may not want a real, smelling detergent in their vehicle. They just want something that's going to protect and not give them a headache. So this product would be that one to use. I personally would like to see them come out with some that have scents in them. That way, like a new car scent or something like that. That way it leaves behind a good clean scent for your customer whenever they get in their car. But not bad. Non-greasy formula, which is awesome again for your interior as well. Cleans it up pretty good. So we're going to move on to the exterior part. Take a look at a step on the back side of the truck. Alright, moving on to the exterior part of the truck. We're going to work on this step here on the rear bumper of the step side F-150, and I'm going to show you how this product works. So as you can tell, this is not as bad, but you do have some white marks there, or white spots where the sun has been fading the vinyl or this trim. So what I'm going to do is take my 303, put it on my microfiber rag. This particular part of the truck only really requires one pass. So once it starts to dry, as you can see it right here, starting to go from real wet look to a dry look. Once it dries like it is now, it leaves behind no greasy formula, which is good because you won't step up on here, slip and break your neck. So that is the 303 Protectant. If you like this video, smash that like button. Feel free to share it on social media with your friends. If you're thinking about buying this product, I would say go for it. That's just my personal opinion. This is not a sponsored video by 303 or Gold Eagle, the owners of 303. This is simply me reviewing this on my channel. And if you have any products, any other products that you like, that you want to review or have me review on my channel, drop them in the comment section below. Feel free to share this video again. Consider subscribing. And as always, be safe, be blessed, and until next time,